451 kilowatts. That is the fastest charging speed of any electric SUV you can buy right now. 12 minutes from 10 to 80%. While Tesla Model Y owners are still scrolling their phones at the supercharger, this thing is already back on the Autobahn. This is the 2026 Xpeng G6 all-wheel drive Performance, and at 51,600 euros, it just made the competition very nervous. The exterior was penned under the direction of JuanMa Lopez, the same designer who shaped the Ferrari SF90 Stradale and the Lamborghini Miura concept before joining Xpeng. That pedigree shows. The coupe roofline drops aggressively into an integrated rear spoiler that actually does aerodynamic work, helping achieve a drag coefficient of just 0.248. The full-width LED light bar at the front stretches uninterrupted across the entire face, giving it an identity that the Model Y simply does not have. At almost 4.8 meters long and nearly 2 meters wide, this is a properly sized SUV that fills its 20-inch alloy wheels with real presence. The interior received over 20,000 individual changes in this facelift, and you feel every single one of them. Dark gray Nappa leather covers seats that are heated, ventilated, and equipped with a massage function up front. The 15.6-inch touchscreen runs Xpeng's latest software, and it responds quicker than most tablets on the market. Unlike Tesla, you get both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto without paying extra. The dashboard materials have been completely upgraded with suede-like finishes on the A-pillars, improved door panels, and ambient lighting that actually creates atmosphere instead of just existing. A digital rear-view mirror replaces the traditional unit, solving the limited rear visibility that the coupe roofline creates. 4-zone voice control operates in German, so you can keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Double-layer laminated glass keeps the cabin whisper quiet at highway speeds, and a panoramic glass roof floods everything with natural light. But here's the detail that should genuinely worry Tesla and even Porsche, and it has nothing to do with what you see or touch inside this cabin. Rear passengers get heated seats and a bench that reclines up to 10 degrees, which sounds small but makes a noticeable difference on longer journeys. The trunk holds 571 liters with the seats up, expanding to 1,374 liters folded flat. No frunk, unfortunately, but with this much overall interior volume, you probably will not miss it. The numbers that brought you here are worth the wait. 487 horsepower from dual permanent magnet motors, 660 Nm of torque, 0 to 100 in 4.1 seconds flat. The 800-volt architecture is what enables that absurd 451 kilowatt charging speed, and the 80.8 kilowatt-hour LFP battery delivers 510 kilometers of WLTP range, while lasting up to 30% longer than the previous chemistry. At 51,600 euros, the G6 all-wheel drive Performance undercuts the Tesla Model Y Performance by nearly 9,000 euros, while charging almost twice as fast and delivering a more refined interior. The BMW iX3 and Audi Q6 e-tron both cost significantly more and charge significantly slower. If charging speed and value matter to you, the math is simple. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.